Imagine looking up at the sky on a bright, sunny afternoon. Suddenly, without warning, the sun simply ceases to exist. For the first 8 minutes and 20 seconds, you wouldn't notice a thing. Gravity and light take that long to travel from the sun to Earth. But the moment that timer hits zero, complete and absolute darkness swallows the entire planet. At the exact same moment, the moon would vanish from the sky. Without the sun to reflect light, the moon becomes an invisible rock, leaving the night sky terrifyingly empty. Panic is immediate. The grid struggles to cope as millions turn on lights simultaneously. But the darkness is just the beginning. Within 24 hours, global temperatures drop to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet begins to freeze. Plants, unable to photosynthesize, die instantly. The bottom of the food chain has just been wiped out. Grim and gritty, describing human nature. By day 3, the government declares martial law. Looting begins as people realize food supplies will not last. The loss of communication. By day 7, the internet and GPS systems fail. Satellites relying on solar panels run out of battery and drift aimlessly. The world goes silent. Week 2. The average temperature is minus 40 degrees. The ocean surfaces turn to ice, trapping marine life below. Without the sun's gravity, Earth flies off in a straight line at 67,000 miles per hour, possibly colliding with asteroids that cross our new path. Scientific but terrifying, increasing the scale of the problem. Month 1, the situation becomes critical. The atmosphere itself begins to change. Without heat, the air shrinks and thins. By month 2, it begins to snow. But this isn't water. It is dry ice. Carbon dioxide is freezing out of the air. Even stranger, as the temperature hits minus 297 degrees, oxygen turns into a liquid. It begins to rain liquid oxygen, which is highly explosive. Year 1. The surface is a frozen wasteland at minus 400 degrees. The only humans left have moved underground. A glimmer of hope, but desperate, intense and focused. Humanity retreats to geothermal bunkers, using the Earth's core heat to power hydroponic farms and heat cities. Life becomes a cycle of maintenance and recycling. The surface is now a forbidden zone, lethal to anyone without a spacesuit. The scale of space. Decade 10. The Earth has drifted far into the void. We are a rogue planet, a lonely ship sailing the interstellar dark. But theoretically, we could survive this way for thousands of years, until the Earth's core finally cools.
Unless, of course, we drift into the gravity well of a black hole. But that is a story for another video.
If you want to prepare for real-world blackouts, check the survival gear linked in the description below. And subscribe to the channel. Next week, we explore what happens if the moon crashes into the Pacific Ocean.